Hi guys, good morning and welcome to our channel, Bib's Life in the US. Update to our zinnia. This is third bat of zinnia, guys. Look. Flower is starting comes out, guys. This is yellow color. This is, I think, red. The other one is, I can identify. And this is, look like 27 days pa lang siya, guys. So, we need to transfer na outside, guys. We need to transfer this outside. Let's see. We need to plant right here, guys. This is the first. Look at that thing. So beautiful, guys. And that's it, guys. So this is third bat, guys. You see right there. This one first and second bat to, guys. Grabe na ang pamulaklak niya, guys. This one the third bat. So we need to replant again to air garden. Then after 27 days lang to, guys, air garden. The flowers come out. We need to go right there and another right there, one line. So we put 3 line over here. And that's it, guys. We need to replant this again, guys. Need to clean up this. Look at that. So we need to remove this, guys. And then oh, look at that. And replant again. Replace the water and replant.